Today, Max and Mia will explore the letters and discover amazing things that begin with each one.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mia, and we're so excited to explore the alphabet with you today.
That's right. There's something new and fun to learn with every letter. Let's start with the letter A.
A is for apple. Look at this juicy red apple. So tasty and healthy.
And A is also for airplane. Look how it zooms through the sky. Now here's the letter B. B is for ball.
And B is also for butterfly.
Balls are great for playing games, and butterflies are beautiful and gentle.
Can you spot the colors on the butterfly? I see blue and yellow.
Next up is C. C is for cat.
And C is also for car.
Cars go vroom vroom and cats go meow.
Today we learned about A, B, and C. We found an apple, an airplane, a ball, a butterfly, a cat, and a car.
Wow, there's so much to discover with each letter. Thanks for coming along on our adventure.
Thank you for watching Alphabet Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe to explore more letters with Max and Mia.